everyone. Welcome to Sharama Bharati Public School online classes. My name is Vishali and let's begin with our subject EVS. So children, today we will be discussing the book exercise of chapter number 6, Clothes We Wear. Let's begin. Children, let's start with the exercise portion. Question number 1 says, tick the correct option. So, till E part 5 questions are given and each one is having 4 options. We have to choose the correct option. Let's read A part. A part says, clothes protect our body from heat, cold, dust, yeah, all of these. So, obviously the correct answer is all of these, right? Now let's come to B part. Dash is or are worn only in winters. Which one is worn only in winters? Woolen gloves, belt, frock, skirt. Out of all of them, which we can wear only in winter? Obviously woolen gloves, so we'll put a tick on woolen gloves. Then we get silk from plants, silkworm, sheep or spider. From where do we get the silk, children? We get silk from silkworm. So we'll put a tick on silkworm. Next is we wear dash clothes in summer. Which kind of clothes do we wear in summer? Nylon, woolen, rayon or cotton? We wear cotton clothes in summer. So we'll put a tick on cotton. Uniforms are worn by nurses, lawyer, policeman, yeah, all of these. See, nurses also wear uniform, lawyer also wears uniform, policeman also wears. So we'll put a tick on all of these. Now children, let's discuss question number 2. Question number 2 says, from where do we get these? So 4 things names are given. We have to tell from where do we get them. I have already written the answers. Wool. From where do we get wool? We get it from sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Cotton. From where do we get cotton? We get it from cotton plant. COTTON, cotton, PLANT, plant, cotton plant. Now, from where do we get silk? We get silk from silkworm. What is the spelling of silkworm? SILKWORM, silkworm. Next is leather. From where do we get the leather? We get it from the skin of animals, right? So, SKIN, skin of animals. So let's start. We'll be discussing the activity because question answers have already been done in the notebook. Let's start with activity. Activity says, given below are few words related to given pictures. Place them in the correct boxes. So 2 pictures are given to us and few words are given to us. We have to place the words in the correct box. The first word is neat. I have already written the answers. You can check the answers. Neat. So which girl is neat? The one in blue or the one in purple? The one in blue is neat. साफ सुथरी है. So neat we will write with the girl in blue box. Next is tone. Tone means फटा हुआ. So the girl with purple and red one is tone. So we'll write down tone word over there. Next is clean. Which out of them is clean? Obviously the blue one. So we'll write clean in the blue column. Shabby. Shabby means something that is untidy, not giving good appearance. So who is not giving good appearance? The right hand side one girl. So we'll write shabby over here. Next is dirty. Which one is dirty? Again the right hand side girl. So we'll write dirty here. Next is tidy. Which one is tidy? Obviously the blue one. So we'll write tidy with the blue one. Next is soiled. Soiled means something that, like fate purane. So obviously the right hand side girl, we'll write there soiled. Well dressed. Which girl is well dressed, children? The girl with the blue one is well dressed. So we'll write well dressed in the blue one. Next is ill dressed. Who is ill dressed? Well dressed and ill dressed are opposite words. So the girl with the purple, the right one is ill dressed. Then next is orderly. Orderly means something that is in a proper order. So she has wore the clothes in a proper order. So we'll write orderly here in this column. So children, we have discussed all the main book exercises and we have discussed the entire chapter. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and take care.